So guys, good afternoon. Start. So welcome to Delhi. Huh? Now you would see the real pollution thing. AIQI is deteriorating every day. है I think now you would actually be at least blessed कि मच्छर नहीं है, because definitely mosquitoes are going to go as the temperature decreases. In the hometown in Chandigarh, we have started wearing sweaters, and over here we are still wearing t-shirts. Aao, Dr. Saab, aao. Today we are starting permutations, combinations, probability. Kafi, it is a tough topic. Reason, obviously, after 10th, many of you have not studied permutations and combinations, first part. Second part is that 11th, the topic was in 11th, permutations and combinations. And I can assure you, nobody studies in 11th. Had you studied in 11th, तो भी यहाँ थोड़े ना बैठे होते, isn't it? So the knowledge is half cooked because, frankly, I'm not, challenging anyone, but most of the teachers do not teach this topic. In school days also, I remember a teacher never taught us this. He used to give us a few questions, do these questions, paper में आ जाएगा. And as a student, it was a blessing. We know it, isn't it? These are the questions that are going to come. So what exactly is permutation, combination and probability? It has two bases. First base is numbers. If you are good at counting, permutations and combinations is very, very easy. It is not at all tough. And second base for probability is set theory. And we have done set theory also. For the same reason, I told you during set theory also, probability is totally based on set theory. So these are two aspects where this topic is actually, sorted out. Now, where is the problem? Let's talk about why it's a problem area for most of the students. Problems faced by students. First problem I see is that where to apply multiplication and where to apply addition. That's a very big problem. If you have done permutations and combinations, you realize seldom he uses addition, seldom he uses multiplication. You don't get to know why, these two signs are used, isn't it? Second, where to use permutations and where to use combinations. Now this is a very, very big problem again. A lot of students don't understand the difference between permutations and combinations. Actually, the questions would actually not differentiate. Only you are going to differentiate looking at the question, whether to use permutation and whether to use combination. And then third part is there are mixed questions. Mixed questions are questions where both permutations and combinations are not required. Without permutation and combination also you can actually solve the question. What are those questions? Generally your CSAT questions. You can solve CSAT questions without using permutations and combinations also. Though I don't know, they genuinely want you to know this topic because they have given you direct, if there are 8 teams, number of matches played. There are 6 points on the circle, so number of triangles. Now if there are 6 points on the circle, right, number of triangles, you cannot do it without combinations. So they want you to know the concept. That's very simple. Now, why do they want you to know the concept? Because they have to teach you statistics. And higher level statistics demand permutation and combinations. There is one binomial statistics where NCR is required. Right, NCR is combination, that we call it binomial coefficient also. So there is a certain demand which I have understood for past 7-8 years. Questions are regular and this year there were only 2 types of questions in the paper, either numbers or permutation and combinations, nothing else. One question from set theory also was there. So you cannot ignore this topic. Till last year, a lot of students at the end would come to us and ask us, sir, which topic to leave? So basically they wanted to ask us, sir, permutation combination probability छोड़ दे, करवा दो, छोड़ दो, क्या कर सकते हो, एक या दो क्वेश्चन आते हैं. Last year they were 6. 6 is a huge number, right? Out of 55 questions, 6 questions directly from permutation combination, but 3-4 were again, jumbling of numbers in permutation combination. So what I'm going to do is, after this topic, last year के सारे questions कर दें, permutations and combinations के, ठीक है? That would actually be really, really beneficial to all of us. So welcome to all the online students. How do we do permutations and combinations? First is principle of multiplication, right? There are two rules that you always have to keep in mind. So what is principle of multiplication? देखिए, if there are two jobs, job 1 and job 2, job 1 can be done in m ways and job 2 can be done in n ways. Then number of ways of performing them in succession is m into n ways. In succession, meaningly one after another, one after another. And the key word over here, where do you apply fundamental principle of multiplication? Where there is a sound of and. Sound of and. We'll talk about it, don't worry. Clear? Noted. Now principle of addition, again you have two jobs. First job can be done in m ways. Second job can be done in n ways. Then number of ways of performing either first or second job is m plus n ways. M plus n ways. Clear? So what is the difference? The point is not knowing the rule. The point is how to apply them. And most of the questions, which I said mixed questions, can actually be done using only principle of multiplication and principle of addition, right? So let's see. He says there are 8 boys and 5 girls in a class. Find total number of ways of selecting. First is a boy and a girl. Second is a boy or a girl. And this is not set together. Come on. Sorry guys. This is not made by me. Right? So he says there are, find total number of ways of selecting a boy and a girl, a boy or a girl. Yeah. Now, immediately you say, sir, first way and lag raha hai. So definitely sir answer would be 8 into 5 40 and second में और लग रहा answer would be 8 plus 5 which is 13. Agreed? ये है बट दोनों में फर्क दिख रहा है. पहले क्वेश्चन में a pair of boy and girl is selected, a boy and a girl, which means two people are selected. In the second question only one person is selected, either it's a boy or a girl. This is a difference. For example, if you talk about first, if I say first boy, so it is first boy and first girl, first boy and second girl, first boy and third girl, first boy and fourth, and first boy and fifth. Similarly, for example, second boy and first girl, second girl, third girl, fourth girl, fifth girl. Third boy, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Third boy and first girl, third boy and second girl, third boy and third girl, third boy and fourth girl, third boy and fifth girl. And pair chal raha hai. So a pair is being selected. Alright. Similarly, if you go till 8 boys, so it is 8 boy and first girl, 8 boy and second, 8 boy and third, 8 boy and fourth, and fourth, fifth. So and basically first question was asking about how many pairs of boy and girl are there. Okay. And in the second question, a boy or a girl. So it is one person is selected, either it has to be a boy or a girl. So definitely 8 choices for boys, 5 choices for girls. So total 13 choices are there. I hope now this is clear. This diagram should make it clear. Now if I add all the pairs, definitely this comes out to be 40. So first में क्या हो रहा है? Pair of people is selected. Clear? All good. So when you understand this, things would be really sorted out. Can we proceed? Guys, क्या बोल रहा कोई? Once you want to note it. Okay, make a note of it. Make a note. Happy Dussehra to all of you. You're thinking of chilling around. Shall I raise it? मर जाओ तुम लोग, बात मत करना. ऑफिसर बनना है तुमने, बात करनी नहीं आती है. डेड पीपल सोसाइटी. Just a moment here. Now, the background, yeah, visible. नहीं यार, ये बैकग्राउंड नहीं चेंज करना है, सॉरी. Now, I say 6 people are participating in a race. Number of ways. First 3 positions can be taken. बताइए. 6 people are participating in a race. Number of ways, first 3 positions can be taken. So hello to everyone, online students. I hope you are attending the class. Let me see my group. 120. What do you say? 18. 24. First 3 positions can be taken. 15. 120. See the variation of answers. हाँ भैया, क्या करोगे? पहले 3 प्लेसेस बना लीजिए. देखिए, फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड. फर्स्ट प्लेस कैन बी टेकन इन 6 ways. फर्स्ट प्लेस कैन बी टेकन इन 6 ways. सेकंड कैन बी टेकन इन 5 ways. यार, जो फर्स्ट आ गया वो सेकंड थोड़ी ना आएगा. हाँ. And third place can be taken in 4 ways, happening in succession. एक के बाद दूसरा, दूसरे के बाद तीसरा हो रहा है. I need 3 people. 6 plus 5 plus 4 नहीं चाहिए. 1 person की बात नहीं हो रही थी. I need 3 people. I need triplet. I need triplet. I need 3 people because 6 में से 3 को आपने adjust करना है. I need 3. So it's first place and second place and third place. It has to be multiplied. It is 120. Got it? Are you understanding now? Now, sir, how is it possible, sir? कैसे हुआ? ध्यान से देखना. Let's get into deep into. Let's see. 6 लोग क्या थे? A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 and A6. Suppose the first place is taken by A1, right? First place is taken by A1 and second place is taken by A2. Then the third place can be taken by how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Agreed? फिर से देखना. This is A1, this is A3. Then how many? 4. A1, A4. How many? 4. A1, A5. How many? 4. A1, A6. How many? So तुम कहते हो ये 4 चल रहा है. इधर देखना 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ये 5 बार चल रहा है. If from here I change A2, इधर A2 फिक्स कर दूं, इधर A1 4, A2 A3 4, A2 A4 4 and so on. So this is, we are looking at triplets, isn't it? We are looking at triplets. So this place is fixed at 4. See, I have given 5 changes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And over here there would be 6 changes. Why? A1 से start होने वाला, A2 से start होने वाला, A3 से start होने वाला, A4, A5, A6. 6 changes in the 100 place. That is the reason I say 6 into 5 into 4, 120 ways. I hope now it is clear that there are going to be not 15 ways, there are going to be more number of ways. Is it okay? Doctor, what are you doing? अभी clear है सबको? Got it? Why multiplication? Right? Question लिखिए. Find total number of 3-digit numbers. कितना होगा total number of 3-digit numbers? Everything allowed. No. क्या हो गया तुझे यार? ना करण है. तो कहना एक चाय बनाएंगे और मीठा कम. गाइस कम ऑन, ये टोटल नंबर ऑफ 3-digit नंबर्स भी तुमसे बनना है यार. क्या कर रहे हैं तुम लोग? व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट 3-digit नंबर? 100. सेकंड 101. थर्ड 102. 100, 101, 102, 103 till 999. I have not asked distinct right now, Arnav. Total number of 3-digit numbers. So you know these are consecutive numbers. सुनो, consecutive numbers में मैंने क्या बोला था? When numbers are consecutive, number of numbers are difference of the extremes plus 1. There are 900 such numbers. We have done it. Counting of numbers was a topic. Right? Or if you want to do it in permutation combination way. How do you do it with permutation? Every number is made up of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. All numbers are made by these 10 digits. Right? So you have to make a 3-digit number. 1, 2, 3. First place can be filled in how many ways? 9 ways, because first place won't have 0. Because if first place has 0, it would be a 2-digit number. The 100th place is filled in 9 ways, and then 10th place is filled in 10 ways. Unit place is filled in 10 ways. Total number of ways are 900. Total numbers are 900. अभी कुछ नहीं है. अगर तुम पूछते हो ये क्या है, ये परम्यूटेशंस हैं, क्योंकि 10th डिजिट पे और यूनिट डिजिट पे 0 आ सकती है. 109. वो अलग थी ना, हर क्वेश्चन अलग है खुशबू. एवरी क्वेश्चन इज डिफरेंट. अभी क्लियर है? हाँ, what is given? अच्छा, नंबर प्लेट की बात है, वो अलग चीज हो जाएगी. सपोज यू से यू हैव अ नंबर प्लेट. हाउ मेनी नंबर प्लेट्स? दैट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल थिंग अर्शी हैज आस्क्ड. वो कहती है जी कितने नंबर्स आ सकते हैं. सो आप मुझे बताइए एक सीरीज में कितने नंबर आते हैं? इफ 4 डिजिट की सीरीज है तो कितने नंबर आते हैं? So it's like if I talk about CH01BQ, so my vehicle start with it, and then there are 4 digits. Ten to the power 4, 9999Q. It starts with 0001, 0002 से लेके 9999. So how many numbers are these? Right, because at the end there is no number called 0000. Is there a number called 0000? So 10,000 नहीं आएगा, 999 आएगा. You're absolutely right. That's the reason I picked it up, because there is no number called 0000. So the numbers actually now start with 001, 002, 003 and up till 999. So how many numbers are these? 9999 minus 1 plus 1. So total number of vehicles in one series would be 9,999. I would have said like Arnav said कि sir देखिए this is filled by 10 ways, this is filled in 10 ways, this is filled in 10 ways and this is filled in 10 ways. So total number of numbers would actually be 10000. But then there is one series of numbers that is not allowed, which is 0000. So that is the reason 10,000 minus 1 we have to do, which is 9999. And that is the reason I picked up the question. Thank you so much, Arshi. That was a brave question. So one series would have 9999 vehicles. In Delhi, it happens like this only, na? DL01, CHQ, then 1, 2, 3. So understand CHQ, which means the vehicles are actually going like a blaze. In Chandigarh, it is only BQ, 2 digit. Over here, it is 3 digit. Why? Because now more vehicles can be sorted out with this series. How? It has started with CHA, isn't it? So actually, the series started with DL01AA. So you can understand now. AAA से शुरू हुआ, फिर AAB, AAC, AAD, and so on, went up till AAZ, XYZ, Z. Then ABA, ABC, and then also it doesn't stop. Yes, 26 मतलब you understand कि now the इधर भी तो देखो ना BQ है, BQ के बाद क्या शुरू हो जाएगा? B and another number B, P, Q, P है ना? So इस तरह चलता जाएगा. So you understand that is the reason they are numbering like this. In Delhi, because there is a population is so big, then they said कि to give numbers we have to have this as 3 digit. So you're right, it is 26 into 26 into 26. See the number, है ना? Huge. So very good question, Arshi. Thank you. अभी चलेगा, आगे बढ़े. Clear है? So I hope it is Priyanka clear that it is 999, not 10,000, because there is no number in India which has 0000. And why is it not there? Anyone? You are GS students, you would be knowing it better. It has nothing to do with maths. But 001 भी तो repeat होता है, 001, 0001. Tell me, what are you saying, Prashant? Why there is no vehicle with ending with 0000? You have to find me and let me know. नंबर तो पिक करता है वो, जब 0001 पिक करता है तो 0000 क्यों नहीं पिक करेगा? That is the reason. She is right, Arushi. Very nice. I wanted you to find out. चलो anyhow. चलो sorry. Next again, guys. I'll let you know. I'll give you exact reason. I just need to read it. I know the reason, but I am not sure whether whether I am going to say something right. So give me a day. मैं कल बता दूँगा. Yes. Special numbers are 0001 is a special number. 0002 is a special number. Right. So it is up to you that if you want to purchase it or you want to have a certain number, so you can go to the department and ask for that number. So it is your choice. It is nothing to do with that it is not only 0001 is special. Sometimes you want a number like 7777. For a lot of reasons, there are a lot of astrological reasons also. People are into astrology, so they pick up those kind of numbers. Nothing to laugh about. People do that, and if they do that, obviously there might be reason. 786 is a very popular number. Yes, a lot of bets go on 786 also, but it's 0786. No, Khiladi association is not possible over here. Either nahi hai. I have seen that in foreign countries it is possible that you can have your own kind of a number, right? बाकी तो XYZ, if they get caught, they may land up into jail. That's bullshit actually. There are people with a lot of money and less brains. They would definitely do these kind of things only. चलो यार देखो इधर. So total number of 3-digit numbers 900. Now I say total number of distinct 3-digit numbers. Yeah, you found distinct actually, है ना? Distinct का माने क्या होता है? Not repetitive, non-repetitive, right? No repetition allowed. Distinct का माने no repetition allowed. No repetition allowed, right? Which means when I say distinct, 221 is not a distinct number because 2 digits are repeated. 171 is not distinct because 2 digits are repeated. 333 is not distinct. Why? Because all 3 digits are repeated. So there should not be any repetition. And we know that most of the numbers, all the numbers, 4, 648. What are you saying? और कोई क्या बोल रहा है? तू था कहाँ? सेब लाए? हाँ फिर ठीक है फिर माफ कर देते हैं ना. ज्यादा लाए? ये 2-2 से नहीं चलेगा. क्लास देख रहे हैं कितनी बड़ी है? समझ रहे हैं? इतने लोग आए हुए हैं. If I talk about online students, तो 2 पेटी चाहिए. चलो सुनो, 1 2 3 Pay attention, right? Now, please pay attention. This is something that you need to understand as a non-mathematical background student, right? So it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. In numbers, say all numbers are made. So first place can be filled in 9 ways because 0 cannot come over here. Now please pay attention. So second place can be filled in 9 again because 0 can come over here. But any of the digits that has come in the first place, suppose 5 पहली place पे आया था, वो नहीं आ सकता है, right? Okay, Shubham. And the third place, 8 ways because the numbers that will come over here won't come at that place. Suppose 7 आया था तो 7 नहीं आ सकता तो 8. And your answer is 9 into 9 into 8, which is 648. खत्म. As a non-mathematical student, you should be good at this. This is what they expect from you. What is your name? Akash. You are coming for the first time? पर मैं तो आकाश को रोज देखता हूँ. वो नहीं, मैं आकाश को, वो वाले आकाश को देखता. ठीक है ठीक है. You are attending online classes ना? ठीक है, कोई बात. Most welcome. So please pay attention. Now UPSC question. UPSC said find total 3-digit numbers where at least 2 digits are repeated. Find total 3-digit numbers where at least 2 digits are repeated. गलत 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 गलत. Come on, you can do it. I can see a lot of improvement in all of you. Galat. 81 is one case. Come on. What change I see is that people have improved a lot in terms of aptitude. But the best part is people have changed a lot in terms of attitude also. I see a lot of happy faces nowadays. This is really good. नहीं तो तुम लोग कितना सैड और दुखी दिखता था मेरे को. नो आकाश कितना है? This is what I expected, doctor, that you will do into 3. Wrong. Because you have to understand it is not into 3. There would be 2 cases of 81. Third case won't be 81. 648 wrong. अरे टोटल ही 900 नंबर है 3 डिजिट, उसमें से रिपीटेटिव इतने कैसे बन जाएंगे? हाँ भाई अर्नब तेरा कितना है? 81 प्लस 81 प्लस 90 नहीं होना चाहिए? You got it, man. That's it. That's it. Come on. Suno. I think Prashant has given us a beautiful aspect. Sunna? टोटल नंबर ऑफ 3 डिजिट नंबर्स कितने थे? 900 900, हाँ राइट। और कितनी सबने बोला था डिस्टिंक्ट कितने? 648। सो 900 माइनस 648 कितने हो गए? रिपीटेटिव हुए ना वो। डिस्टिंक्ट तो तुमने बता दिया 648 और डिस्टिंक्ट और नॉन रिपीटेटिव, तो रिपीटेटिव कितने रहेंगे? 900 माइनस 648। कम ऑन लिसन टू मी, लिसन टू मी। देखिए टोटल आई एम राइटिंग इट, टोटल नंबर ऑफ 3-digit numbers would be equal to distinct 3-digit numbers plus non-distinct 3-digit numbers. Got it? Non-distinct 3-digit numbers. What are non-distinct 3-digit numbers? Non-distinct 3-digit numbers are 3-digit numbers with repetition, isn't it? Non-distinct वही हुआ जिसमें repetition होगा. And what is repetition? At least 2 digits repeated. मतलब अगर आप एक 3 digit देखते हैं, please pay attention. If you look at a 3 digit number, so either it's 2 digits are repeated or 3 digits are repeated. Repetitive का मतलब तो यही है. So what is this 3 digit number with repetition? Is 3 digit number where at least 2 digits are repeated. तभी repetitive हुआ ना, right? So remember 900 is total 3-digit number, 648 is distinct, plus this is repetitive. So repetitive is 900 minus 648, which is 252. So remember questions with at least would be total minus distinct. लिख लीजिए, मैं केसेस भी बना के दिखाऊंगा, चिंता क्यों कर रहे हो? 9 केसेस कौन से थे? 111, 222, 333, 444, 555, 666, 777, 888, 999. वो नहीं काउंट किए थे तुमने. अभी वो भी करता हूँ, मैं केसेस भी बना के दिखाता हूँ. बट इट वुड बी वेरी टफ if you keep making cases. If I talk about a 4-digit number where at least 2 digits are repeated, कितने केस बनाओगे? 2 digits are repeated. देखो 4 digit है, 1 2 3 4. 2 digits are repeated are these. I am तो केस मास्टर, मतलब मेरे से तो जितने मर्जी बनवा लो तुम. आई एम प्रीटी गुड एट इट. ये तो सिर्फ 2 digit रिपीटेड है, फिर 3 digit रिपीटेड का क्या केस बनाएगा? So it would be very tough to make so many cases. So don't try to make cases in case of at least. Remember, it is a key word in UPSC also. They give a lot of at least questions. So remember, at least wala question generally, I'm not saying always, at least wala question in permutation combination is total minus distinct. And ये explanation लिख लो. This is a good explanation actually. कपड़े लेके आए गरम, शादी पे गया था, ये क्या करने गया था? झक मारने गया था घर? ओहो, किस चीज का? ऑल गुड, ठीक हो गया? बता के जाएगा मेरे को, आज तेरी कंप्लेन हो जानी थी. नहीं तो वहाँ फोन नंबर होता है इमरजेंसी के. ठीक है जी. नाउ केसेस, आई वुड गो फॉर केसेस. ऋषभ एक बार तो करते हैं, सुनना जरा प्लीज. केसेस. सो ऑल द नंबर्स आर फॉर्म्ड एज 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. ध्यान से देखिएगा प्लीज. सो एटलीस्ट 2 digits आर रिपीटेड. So digits repeated are these two, odd digit repeated are these two, odd digits repeated are these two, or all three digits are repeated. ये भी तो repetition है. So इस तरह के cases बनने थे. Now first case में देखिए, first case, first place can be taken in 9 ways. 0 नहीं आ सकती है guys, and second place is same. Why? Because जो इधर आ गया वो इधर आ गया. Same है, repetition चल रहा है, right? And third place again in 9, 81. Here, whatever number is here would be here, as these are two same numbers. These are two same numbers. Whatever digit comes over, इधर 8 आ गया तो इधर भी 8 आना है. Got it? The same number. So that's the reason 1 count कर रहा हूं मैं. Similarly, this would be 81. This would be 81, and this would be 111, 222, 333, 444, 555, 666, 777, 888, and 999. So this is also 9 cases. So if you add it, this comes out to be 252. There would be no number like 000 because it is not a 3-digit number, it's a single number, single digit number. अब क्लियर है? तो ये इस तरह केस बन जाने थे. Choice is yours, don't make cases. At least वाला question is total minus distinct. Keep this thing in mind. Last year you were late, this year you are in love. All right. जिसको समझना है वो समझ चुका है. I said last year you were late to join the classes. This year you are in love. चलो आगे बढ़े. I hope now थोड़ा सा concept is clear. So I am bombarding you with bad questions. Again UPSC question. Find total 3-digit numbers with exactly one of the digits as 7. बताइए. Not my question, UPSC question. Hey, nobody online today, guys? Are you there? Or everyone is now dependent upon, that recorded classes? मुझे पता नहीं है. I think it's wrong. तेरा कितना? 72 would be one of the cases here, guys. Rishabh, Arshi. Yes. It would be one of the cases. Abhinav, he's damn good. He just tells you he's not good. He's very good. Prashant is very good. He seldom comes. Supreme nahi yaar. There is only one supreme God, that's it. Nobody is beyond that. कितना है? 2. गलत. Again you are making a same mistake. 81 into 3. 225. You got it the reason why 225. Why not 243? Good, very nice. Huh? 225 is the right answer, I think. तुम्हें समझ आ रहा है पीछे? तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? दिव्यांग, समझ आ रहा है? तुम खा पी रहा है कुछ? खाते है ढंग से? घर से घी मंगाओ। लोग जाते हैं कोटकपुरा, कुछ नहीं लेके आते हैं, किसी काम के नहीं है। 2 to 5, I think you're right now. I hope that you are making all three cases because Apiyush, now you have to make cases here. Now you would realize why to not 243. Now listen to me. Unit place पे change हो जाएगा. Guys, come on. I am finding that you guys are doing really well. Otherwise, I take a lot of time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Either 7 is fixed here or 7 is fixed here or 7 is fixed here. Is it okay? Either 7 is at 100th place or 10th place or unit place. Agreed? Now, if 7 is fixed, in how many ways this can be filled? 9 ways. Because 7 cannot reoccur again. Because I say there is only one digit is exactly 7. Right? So, how many digits were there? Really, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 7 is out of contention because 7 cannot come now. So how many are left? 9 over here and 9 over here. Agreed. So definitely a number ending with 7 would be 81 numbers ending starting with 7. And if middle is 7, then this can be filled in how many ways? 8 ways. Why? Because now over here 7 cannot come, but 0 also cannot come. This was it, 8 ways. And this is filled in how many ways? 9, because this can have a 0, right? So this is 72. ये फर्क था. That is the reason I said 81 into 3 नहीं करना है, right? And then third, again this is 8 ways. Why? 0 and 7 both cannot come in the first place. And why this is 9? Because only 7 cannot come over here. So again 72. So 81 plus 72 plus 72 is 2 to 5. Now you should be good at making cases. Come on. So this is for find total. अर्श तुझे समझ आ रहा है? ये क्या है? ये हिमाचल वाला है. ये हाँ भी मान लो ना भी मान लो, है? Is it clear? So it was total. Find total. So if I change the question and I say find all distinct 3-digit numbers where exactly one of the digits is 7. This is now find all distinct 3-digit numbers having exactly one of the digits as 7. Then what would you do? Distinct भी चाहिए, exactly one of the digits 7 भी चाहिए. बना 3 केस, सोच मत. Hmm? 192. No. Wrong. Wrong. गलत. Thank you guys. There are some people attending the class. 18. तुम आंसर बोलोगे? गलत. गलत. हाँ, 200 is the answer. 200. Anyone getting 200? Khushbu? 200 is the answer. Do it again. Come on, try it. Poor lads. Make cases. ऋषभ हो गया? Try करो चलो. No, 208 is wrong. Do it again. गलत है. Do it again. Are you doing into 3? That's the reason 192 is coming. Yeah, 216 is coming. Basically, if a multiple of 3 is coming, I'll deny it. Because it is not into 3. So I'm not even checking it. If you say a multiple of 3, I'll say it's wrong. Now see this. Again, let's make cases, guys. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 7 is fixed here, or 7 is fixed here, or 7 is fixed here. Agreed? Now let's talk. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 are the numbers. Agreed? Here they go. These are the numbers. And 7 is gone for first case because 7 occurs exactly once. Now this place can be filled in how many ways? 9 ways, and this can be filled in 8 ways because distinct cases कर रहे थे. 9 8s are 72. But here is a dicey issue, please. Again, now here is a dicey issue. Please pay attention. This place can be filled in 8 ways. Why? 7 cannot come, but 0 also cannot come. Agreed? And then this place can again be filled in 8 ways. Why? Because 7 cannot come. The number that is occurring over here cannot come, but 0 can come over here. 0 is allowed. So it's 8 into 8 is 64, and I hope 64 over here also. So 72, 64, 64 is 200. So total 3-digit numbers having exactly one of the digits as 7 was 225. Distinct 3-digit numbers having exactly one of the digits as 7 is 200, which means, now listen to me, which means there are 25 such numbers. 225 minus 200. There are 25 such numbers where exactly one digit is 7 and remaining 2 digits are repeated. Total are 225. Distinct are 200. So total minus distinct is repetitive. So there are 25 such numbers which have exactly one of the digits as 7 and remaining 2 digits are repeated. Otherwise also it can be counted, isn't it? 7 को fix करो एक place पे, बाकी 2 repeat होना चाहिए, तो it can be easily sorted out that way also. Hey, no phone call allowed. I have written many love stories. You know the story? 4 years back there was a student, he was very close to me, as close as Arnav is. And he used to be on mobile, as Arnav used to be on mobile many a times we have found. And I used to tell him not to be on mobile, but he never agreed. Arnav agrees. Right? So what happened one day, one very fine day, there was a 5-hour class and he was chatting and I caught him red-handed and I snatched his phone. So he was chatting to his girlfriend or pata nahi, somebody, lover. I cannot even say na girlfriend, matlab, you never know who's on the other side. Right? So somebody lovered, so I miss you, so over there also miss you too, this, that, all that stuff. No, then, I just snatched the phone and I did my work. I typed few messages and switched off the phone and put it into my pocket. तो शाम तक देर वॉज अ ब्रेक ऑफ. Till date, she doesn't agree that some teacher can do it. So I just snatched his mobile and I wrote that you are the only disturbance in my life. I am not able to concentrate on UPSC because of your interference in my life. Stop interfering in life and live your life. I don't want you to be any more there in my life. Crack. He is still single. ब्रेकअप एजेंसी खोलने की जरूरत क्या, आजकल तो है ही ब्रेकअप एजेंसी. देखो ये दिस इज कॉल्ड अ ब्रेकअप एजेंसी. You don't need a breakup agency. This is a breakup agency that you already have with you. Okay, so don't you worry. Right? People can get married, they can share everything, but they don't share their passwords. है ना? That is something dicey, guys. चलो, anyhow, आपका की करना है? सुनो, थोड़ा सा clarity हो रही है. You understand this thing that the concept is very simple. Y multiplication, adjustment, right? Distinct, total. So total is everything included, distinct is no repetition, at least is total minus distinct. Agreed? Now let's put it on number system. Question. I've got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Find total 5-digit total 4-digit numbers that can be formed using 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 such that number is exactly divisible by 4. बताओ. So you have 6 numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and you have to make a 4-digit number which is exactly divisible by 4 and this is your UPSC question. Come on, do it. बाकी लोग क्या बोलते हैं? गर्ल पता नहीं यार, I don't know. I would not say anything. It has to be into 9. That is what you're saying. देखते हैं. I'm telling you, Arshi started doing really well. I know that. This is what started working for you. You know something, if you are not looking at your copy or not doing something, this is your greatest weakness. Greatest weakness is not that you don't know maths. Nobody in this class knew this, whatever we are doing today. The greatest weakness actually is just giving up. Just giving up on question. No, you're just giving up on yourself. Hey, boom. कितना है? कितना है? गलत. गलत. 270. So people, those who just, go blank when the question is there, you have a weakness of giving up. Because something, success arrives only when you try one more time. That is something I have learned. There is nothing called extraordinary. You're wrong. For past 25 years I've been teaching. I can tell you there is nothing extraordinary about people. Only thing extraordinary is they don't give up. Believe in my words. And they are really sorted. Sorted means I am really sorted. Meaningly, if I have to do something, I don't care about my surroundings. आप लोग surroundings में बहुत फंस जाते हो guys. That is wrong. Don't be bothered about surrounding. I think Arshi and Piyush, probably you're right. 9 cases. Now listen. What is the divisibility rule of 4? Last 2 digits are exactly divisible by 4. So if a number is ending with 0, 0 or ending with 0, 4, so I start with 0. 0, 0, 0, 4, right? And then 1. So 1, 2, then 2, 2, 0, 2, 4. Starting with 3 is 3, 2. Starting with 4 is 4, 0. Yes, 4, 4 was required because repetition is allowed, right? And starting with 5, 5, 2. So how many cases are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 2 more places over here. So first thing is, basic was divisibility rule of 4. So you should have at least made total cases ending with 2 numbers ending with exact multiples of 4. Come on, ये तो पता होना चाहिए था. खुशबू, Manjot, we have done it better, right? Then remaining 2 places. Just check out remaining 2 places. This place can be filled in how many ways? 0 cannot come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ways. And this place can be filled in 6 ways because over here 0 can come. 5 into 6 is 30. So there are 30 numbers ending with 00 and so on. Every case would be 30 because repetition is allowed. We are asking about total. So 9 into 30 comes out to be 270. So basic is number system. वहीं से पिक किया क्वेश्चन है. आकाश, क्लियर? Sure? अभी क्लियर है खुशबू? तुम्हारा 540 कैसे आ गया यार? Into 2 क्यों किया? Because I was like 540 is twice of 270 is 540. चलो, नहीं, आई थिंक प्रोबेबली कहीं पे इंटू 2 कर दिया तूने बाय मिस्टेक. तेरा कैसे है 540? बताओ तो सही ना. इज इट लाइक यू हैव डन इट इन सिंगल लाइन काइंड ऑफ थिंग? थोड़ा सा ना उसमें इश्यू आ जाता है. डिविजिबिलिटी रूल पे 4 पे मत करना सिंगल लाइन में. आई हैव हर्ड ट्वाइस वाला आंसर आता है. ये फर्स्ट टाइम नहीं, आई एम नॉट हियरिंग फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम ऋषभ. आई हैव हर्ड इट बिफोर आल्सो. रघु, how are you? You look disoriented nowadays. You are not answering. All good? I hope you are not in love. He is in love. Everyone is in love. What is wrong in love? So, अभी same question है. You are given same set of numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Right? And you have to make distinct 4-digit number exactly divisible by 4. तेरा पेपर कब है सीडीएस का रघु? सीडीएस कब है? अप्रैल में है ना? तब तक तो यू वुड बी रेडी, डोंट वरी. तू फौजी ही बनेगा, मुझे पता है. आई नो इट. एंड व्हेनेवर आई हैव सेड इट, इट हैपेंड. चल यार ऋषभ करके दिखा जल्दी. बीपीएससी रिजल्ट कब आ रहा है? लगेगा टाइम. अरे कोई बात नहीं, काफी बच्चों ने दिया हुआ एक्चुअली. बहुत वैकेंसी थी इसमें. some 900 vacancies for general. Lot of vacancies for general this time. Lot of students are. तू रोज गिराया कर, बैठ जा. Philly, are you understanding? If you are not understanding, you should say it, na? Don't shy away. नहीं यार, 63 तो नहीं होगा. 63 तो नहीं होगा. 6 बनेंगे या 7 बनेंगे? एक तारीख को है करवा चौथ. 84 इंटू 7 कर रहे हो ना? तेन समझ तो आ गया, बस एक छोटी सी गलती कर रहा है. 84 बिकॉज इंटू 7 कर दिया तुमने. 12 इंटू 7 कर दिया. आकाश नाइस वर्क, वेरी गुड. ये कुछ गलती कर रहे हैं यार. तो रिपीटेशन भी नहीं है ना अब, ये भी तो तुम्हें ध्यान रखना है. 6 केसेस तो नहीं है यार, केसेस तो ज्यादा है. सुनो, नंबर एंडिंग विद 04, 12, 20, 24, 32, 40, 52. So there are 7 cases. 0 gone because 0 has a repetition. 4 gone because 4 has a repetition. Right? Now this is a very dicey proposition, guys. देखो जरा. अगर पहले की बात करें, it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So see, first case में 0 gone, 4 gone, isn't it? First case में 0 gone, 4 gone because repetition is not allowed. So this place can be filled in how many ways? 4 ways, and this can be filled in 4 3s are 12. खुशबू ठीक है? 12. Second case देखना. Again it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 1 gone, 2 gone. अब समझ रहे हो? अब यहाँ 0 आ गई. So first place can be filled in 3 ways and second also in 3 ways. Into हो जाएगा. 3 3s are 9. So any number having 0 would have 12 cases. Non-zero would have 9. Non-zero would have 9, 12, 9. So 12 plus 12 plus 12 is 36. And 9 plus 9 plus 9 is 36. 36 plus 36 is 72. That is the reason 84 was not allowed. 63 was not allowed. Because you did this, na? You got 9 for 1. So you did 9 into 7, 63. Or you got 12 for 1, you did 12 into 7, 84. ये गलती मत करना. This is your UPSC question. Distinct. 72. So UPSC is playing at highest level. You should know that. UPSC is not leaving कि चलो यार कुछ नहीं होता. नहीं, it is playing at highest level. All clear, guys? Manjot, I think you had done it. 12 तो आ गया था, isn't it? Then it is automatically 12 into 7. 72 आ गया था तेरा? Good, very nice. Shubham? Prashant, you have to promise me not to miss these classes. Online मत लगाना, इस पे आ जाना. It's okay, now it's okay ना? Platelets कितना कम हो गया था? तुम्हारा कितना हो गया था? तेरे 1 more गए? हाँ? 50. हाँ? बहुत कम है ना 50. मेरा तो 152 पे यार पीयूष, तू तो मेरा 143 पे ही बोल रहा था, वो कम हो गया आपका. नहीं, नॉर्मल इज 150 ना. अच्छा, ओके, इज रॉन्ग. अच्छा, अंडर 20,000 ऑल्सो. तो आई वॉज एट 143, यू टोल्ड मी यू टेक रेस्ट. हाँ, आई वॉज टेकिंग क्लासेस एट दैट टाइम ऑल्सो. चलो अगला करें. सुनो, what is divisibility rule of 3? Sum of the digits is exactly divisible by 3. Agreed? So now listen to me. You are given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. टफ करना है and 5. अब तो टफ ही करूंगा, right? So find total number of distinct 4-digit numbers exactly divisible by 3. ना बेसिक क्वेश्चन देखो यार, तुमने बोला व्हाट इज डिविजिबिलिटी रूल ऑफ 3. अर्शी, सम ऑफ द डिजिट्स इज मल्टीपल ऑफ 3. मंजू है ना? प्रियंका, इज इट राइट? सम ऑफ द डिजिट्स. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज लिसन, you have to pick 4 such numbers whose sum is a multiple of 3. So if you pick those 4 numbers, any numbers that would be made by those numbers would be exactly divisible by 3. Now I have given you a beautiful hint. Come on, do it. नहीं यार, ज्यादा देख ले, मतलब it is not instantaneous. You will have to make cases यार, because these are 6 numbers. Arnav, you have to choose 4. These are 6 numbers. You have to make those 4 digits out of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. And Arnav, I don't treat this question as a question of permutation combination. I treat this question as question of numbers. And remember my words. The one of the greatest weaknesses you have is giving up. Bas. नहीं यार, ज्यादा होगा. What selections you have made? मुझे नहीं आंसर पता. I don't know the answer. Because 0 plays such a big role over here. Abhinav, choose 4 numbers whose sum is a multiple of 3. That's it. उससे जितने नंबर बनेंगे वो exactly divisible by 3 होंगे ही होंगे यार. Come on. Are you sure about 300? Arnav, you check it यार. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I don't know the answer, beta. It is 24. 24 केसेस आ रहे हैं एक पे तो आ रहे हैं ना, बाकी जीरो वाले बनाओ. जीरो वाले बहुत सारे बन जाएंगे ना आरुषि, because if you take 0 then you have to take remaining 3 numbers whose sum is multiple of 3. It is such a simple thing I am saying. Abhinav, you know how dangerous it is. I know, काम जरूरी ही होते हैं. खुशबू कमन बन जाएगा, केसेस बनाओ. प्रियंका क्या केस बनाया तुमने पहला? 1 0 2 3. Brilliant. If you are making cases na Priyanka, always remember it has to be ascending or a descending order. It actually is always easier to make cases like that. So you should say 0 1 2 3, right? Can I give you one more? 0 3 4 5. 0 1 3 5. कितना केस बनेगा यार? 0 आते ही things would change, right? Come on, see this. That's the reason I said कि cases ज्यादा होगा. कि देखो पहला केस तो जो मुझे दिख रहा है 1 2 4 and 5. Guys, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 9 is 12. So any numbers that are made by 1 2 4 5, they are exactly divisible by 3. So how many numbers are made by these 4? 1 2 3 4. First place can be filled in 4 ways, second in 3, third in 2 and 1. 24. Yeah, 4 factorial, which is 24 such numbers. So there are 24 numbers that can be made using 1 2 4 5, and all of those would be multiple of 3. Agreed? Then comes introduction of 0. 0 1 2 3. 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. Definitely this is going to be a multiple, isn't it? Any number that is formed is going to be a multiple. So how many such numbers are formed? 18. 18 बनेंगी. देखो 1 2 3 4. First place can be filled in 3, second in 3, third in 2 and 1. 18. If 0 comes, then first place can be done in 3 ways only, because 0 cannot come in the first place, right? But now 0 doesn't stop. 0. So guys, I'm writing the numbers again. 0 1 2 3 4 and 5. This is a very dicey thing now. 0 1 के साथ और कोई बन रहा है? 0 1 2 3. 0 1 4. Sorry, 0 1 3 5. Thank you. 0 1 3 5. Again 18. 0 1 के साथ और कोई बन रहा है? और कोई 1 के साथ एंट्री आ रही है? 0 और 1 के साथ 0 1 2 3 हो गया है. 0 1 3 5 हो गया है. एनीथिंग एल्स 0 और 1 के साथ? नो. 0 और 2 के साथ? Yes, 0 2 3 4 18. See, I am very choosy. 0 और 1 से शुरू किया मैंने. 0 1 के सारे कॉम्बिनेशंस उठाए और उसके बाद 0 2 के कॉम्बिनेशंस उठाए, तो इट इज 0 2 3 4, राइट? देन 0 3 4 5 18 more. Any other combination? हो गया. So total is 18 plus 18 is 36. 36 plus 36 is 72. 72 plus 94 is 72 plus 24 is 96. क्लियर है? इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस आते. You miss a case, you miss the whole thing, and there would be option 72, so that you know if you miss one case, because generally see this is where numbers come. 1 plus 2 4 plus 5, तो ये 4 भी तो पिक करना था. It will consume your brain, but it will make you sharper, right? One more question that has come in your paper. अच्छा, have you written it? एक बार लिख लो, I need write it. Yes, what are you saying, Khushbu? Sorry, I am not able to hear you. I am not able to hear you. See, I gave golden words when I was talking to Priyanka. When you are making cases like these, it's better to do it in ascending or descending order. So that's the reason I started with 0, 1 ke combinations, then I checked 0, 2 ke combinations, then I checked 0, 3 ke combinations. These are golden words because this is where you get confused. It's one of the same things. No, I haven't done that. See, I haven't done that. 0, 3, 4, 5, 18. I haven't written 5, 4, 3, 0, again 18. I cannot. It is not considered because we have already taken it. Order does not matter over here, ना यार? Clear है? आगे बढ़े? So ऐसे I've got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many distinct numbers can be formed using the above digits? How many distinct numbers can be formed using the above digits? Digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know the answer. This is UPSC question. You have to do it. I won't help you. Stop talking. राहुल कहाँ है? राहुल तो आजकल आंसर क्यों नहीं दे रहे? All good? Or you working towards something else like optional or something? You busy है? आजकल तो आंसर नहीं दे रहा, ठीक है? हर्षी, wrong. I don't know. 600 cannot be the answer. Oh yaar, Abhinav, get him out of the class. Throw him. Be away from him. He is very talkative. Last year I talked to his friends and family. They all said that he has been sent for UPSC because he talks very well. He was thrown out of his job because he talks so much. He was a software engineer. His organization started blaming each other because everyone started talking. पहली चीज शुगर है, तूने कुछ बोला? Arushe, work hard. Philly, what do you say? Make 6. See, first thing is these are 6 numbers. So what are you trying to find? Prashant, this is what I wanted. Brilliant, great question. So maximum number of digit numbers would be 6-digit number. Minimum would be single-digit number. That is UPSC at its best. Come on, you have done only what have you tried doing, guys? You said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First place can be filled in 5 ways because 0 cannot come. Second can again be filled in 5. Third in 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. So if you talk about 6-digit number, it is this is going to be 120, 600. 600, right? That's the reason most of you are giving answer as 600. But these are only 6 digits. What about 5-digit number? Yes, 5 digit can also be framed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 5 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. So it is again 600. What about a 4-digit number? A 4-digit number 1, 2, 3, 4. First place can be filled in 5, second in 5, third in 4 and then in 3. कितना बन गया? 300. 300. And then what about 3-digit number? 1, 2, 3. So it would be 100 because 5, 5, 4. What about a 2-digit number? 25. What about a single-digit number? क्यों 6 होगा? 0 is also a distinct number. कभी 0 नहीं आया तुम्हारा? Single-digit number 0 होगा. 0 is allowed now. 0 is a single-digit number. 0 is as single as many of you would be. Right? So 6, right? So 600 plus 600 is 1200 plus 300 is 1500 plus 100 is 1600. 1600 plus 25 is 1625 plus 6 is 1631. And damn it, in UPSC first option was 600. And this was hidden in none of these. ये प्रॉब्लम है यूपीएससी की जो लोगों को समझ नहीं आती. जब भी हम नया बैच करते हैं, सर मैंने 8th तक मैथ्स किया है, देन आई मीट लॉट ऑफ पीपल, सर जीएस लास्ट ईयर क्लियर था. आई कैंट हेल अबाउट इट, यू आर स्टिल नॉट प्रिपेयरिंग. सी दिस इज द पेपर. क्या बताऊं मैं? जिसने 8th तक मैथ्स किया वो यूपीएससी की तैयारी कर रहा है, वो कह रहे हैं सीसेट आसान है और उसको ये नहीं पता दिस इज पहाड़ जो तुम्हें चढ़ना है. अब देखो 2 महीने बाद तुम्हें ना समझ में आने लग गया. मोस्ट ऑफ यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट. Think of somebody who has to do it again. Start from basic. I was teaching someone. He said, "Sir, after 8th, I have not taken mathematics at all." I said, "Kill me. Take a stone, smash me." Because you don't have basics, and then you're sitting tight. Oh, कोई बात नहीं, हो जाएगा. And level. And Prashant was right. You have a knack of picking things. This is what UPSC does. So, guys. Always remember, if you are doing something with a flow, there would be a different answer. So remember that part. That is what you have to crack actually. और यूपीएससी के तुम बीपीएससी का पेपर देख लो. This year BPSC paper, there are few questions I sent one to Arnav, right? And we had real tough time solving it here. It is not only you. मेरे को बड़ा टफ लगा यार वो. इसको हमने पकड़ा, डॉक्टर साहब को पकड़ा, बोला करके दिखा, इसे हो ही नहीं, फिर बाद में जाके हो रहा है. So everyone is experimenting. So please be aware कि यार हमें अच्छे से आना चाहिए. अब देखो तुम्हें समझ आ रहा है, all of you are understanding. नहीं तो permutation combination was just a topic for you कि इसको छोड़ना है. And we haven't started permutation combination. That's the beauty. And you know why these classes are famous, permutation combination? Because all of these questions have come, but I have done it before also. Question आ गए पर मैंने किए हैं, right? So now listen to me. This is one question which actually is really, really important, right? And this has come 5 to 6 times in UPSC. He says that we have got 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3 and 4. He says find sum of all distinct 4-digit numbers that can be formed using 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you make all 4 numbers, all 4-digit numbers, and then you add that number and give the sum. This is what is required. एक मेरा भी ले लो। कम ऑन, करके दिखाओ, कम ऑन गाइस। See, listen to me. 4-digit number, if you're talking about, let's see, first 4-digit number is 1, 2, 3, 4. Second would be 1, 2, 4, 3. Third would be 1, 3, 4, 2. Fourth would be 1, 3, 2, 4. इन सबका समेशन करना है, तो it would be a huge number. हाँ यार सुनो, these are 24 numbers that you are going to form. पीयूष, 24 numbers we are going to form. सबका समेशन चाहिए मुझे 24 का। उसका समेशन नहीं चाहिए मुझे, 4-digit नंबर बना 1 2 3 4 1 2 4 3 1 3 4 2 1 3 2 4 1 4 3 2 1 4 2 3। इन सब 24 के 24 नंबर एक लाइन में लिखो और उसको ऐड करो। दैट इज व्हाट ही इज सेइंग। फाइंड सम ऑफ ऑल 4-digit distinct numbers that can be formed using the digits 1 2 3 4। Priyanka, come on yaar, it has to be a huge number because one of the number, Priyanka, one of the number is 1 2 3 4, तो दूसरा 1 2 4 3, तीसरा 1 3 4 2, चौथा 1 3 2 4। इन ऐसे 24 नंबर को ऐड करोगे, 24 4-digit नंबर्स हैं, it would be a huge sum. I am not talking about sum of the digits, I am talking about sum of all the numbers that can be formed. तो गलती क्या कर रहा है, 1 2 3 4 को ऐड कर रहा है, वो गलती कर रहा है। नहीं, सम ऑफ द डिजिट्स नीचे। कम ऑन गाइस, एनीवन ऑनलाइन? टोटल नंबर्स का सम चाहिए यार मुझे, सम ऑफ डिजिट्स नहीं चाहिए। What do you say now? See, this is what UPSC is. The same question has come in UPSC, and then the beauty is UPSC repeats the question. And this has come 3-4 times in different way, but same logic. अब ध्यान से देखना इसको ऐड कैसे करना है, प्लीज पे अटेंशन ऑल ऑफ इट। इट इज नथिंग देयर टू ऐड। ध्यान से देखो, why UPSC is called a premium body and why I respect UPSC so much. There are two reasons for it. First is wrong. Now listen. पहला नंबर क्या है? 1 2 guys, Guys, please. 1 2 3 4 1 2 4 3 1 3 4 2 1 3 2 4 1 4 2 3 1 4 3 2. ये नंबर है, मैं लिखूंगा, आप मत लिखो, डोंट वरी, just wait for the moment, right? Then starting with 2 2 1 4 3 2 1 3 4, right? 2 3 1 4 2 3 4 1 2 4 1 3 2 4 3 1 3 से 3 1 4 2 3 1 2 4 3 2 4 1 3 2 1 4 3 4 1 2 3 4 2 1. अब 4 से शुरू होने वाले 4 3 2 1 4 3 1 2 4 2 1 3 4 2 3 1 4 1 2 3 4 1 3 2. Total 24 numbers written. Now you have to add it. How is it possible, sir? Just pay attention. Just pay attention. देखना पहले 6 में how many times you see 4, फिर देखना 4 and फिर देखना 4. So 4 occurs 6 times in first line and everywhere you see 4 will occur 6 times only. 1 2 3 4 5 6. फिर से देखना 1 2 3 4 5 6. Every line and last line also in 1000 place also it occurs 6 times. But 3 also occurs 6 times. 2 3 4 5 6. 2 also occurs 6 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6, sorry 6, and so on. So in every line from unit 10 100 and 1000 every number is occurring 6 times, right? So 1 occurs 6 times, 2 occurs 6 times, 3 occurs 6 times, 4 occurs 6 times. So don't you think this would be the sum? One line, this would be sum of one line. 1 occurs 6 times, 2 occurs 6 times, 3 occurs 6 times, 4 occurs 6 times. So don't you think sum of one line is 60? So if you add this total, this would be 60. 6 carry. Again it would be 60. 66. 6 carry. 60. 6 carry. 66. So your answer is 66660. आ गया था? Very nice. 66660. तो एक लाइन का 60 आ गया, ऐड किया, 0 लिखा, 6 कैरी. लिसन टू मी, 0 लिखा, दिस लाइन टोटल एडेड वाज 60, 0 लिखा, 6 कैरी, फिर से उसका 60, नेक्स्ट लाइन का समेशन इज अगेन 60 प्लस 6 is 66, राइट? सो दिस वाज द लॉजिक, Arushi. So let's make it standard now. If you are given 4 digits, so your answer is, पहले तो ये समझ में आ गया था. So the formula for this is, the trick for this is what you cherish now, all of your tricks. So sum of the digits 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 times, how many digits are these? 4 digits are these. So 4 minus 1 का factorial into how many digits are these? 4. So जितनी digits हैं उतनी बार 1 1 1 1 1. Why 1 1 1 1? Because this would be 60, है ना, into 1, 0 लिखा, 6 carry, into 1, 60, got it? So this represents unit digit, 100, 10 digit, 100 digit and 1000 digit. So this is the direct formula. Whenever you are given such question, you can apply the direct formula. Please note it as a trick. It has come 3-4 times. Same question in different ways. 2022 में भी आया था, 2021 में भी आया था. see मतलब basically what's happening over here is यार it would be 60 times 1111 which is 60 times 1000 plus 100 plus 10 plus 1 60 multiplied by unit 60 right so 60 मतलब वो चीज कैरी हो रही है अभी देखिए 60 कैरी ऑन एंड दिस इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय 1111 अब ये फॉर्मूला है बट समझ तो आ गया ना यू गॉट द रीजन व्हाई वी हैव डन इट हाँ यू आर सेइंग व्हाट आर यू सेइंग नॉन डिस्टिंक्ट अगर नॉन डिस्टिंक्ट आ जाए तो इट्स वेरी टफ because then the number of numbers would be 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 isn't it which is actually 64 4 into 4 16 64 into 4 256 को मतलब try to understand 256 को मतलब possible ही नहीं है so they don't generally give this kind of number right yes the question that had come in 2022 was now this is what they do 1 2 3 no the question was I'll give you the exact question what he said single digit multiples of 3 single digit he said single digit non zero multiples of 3 are taken so again Piyush नॉन जीरो लिख दिया तुम 369 बोल रहे थे अगर मैं सिंगल डिजिट मल्टीपल ऑफ 3 बोलता तो 0369 बोलना चाहिए था सो दिस इज 2022 he says single digit non zero multiples of 3 are taken and all the numbers that can be all the distinct numbers that can be formed using these numbers are added this is big statement they would give you right so then divisibility rule पे क्वेश्चन आया हुआ था that number is exactly divisible by option 1 option 2 option 3 option 4 right so basically what he was looking at he was saying कि single digit multiples of 3 are 369 so all distinct numbers that can be formed so how many distinct numbers that can be formed either to you say 3 plus 6 plus 9 times 3 minus 1 factorial times 111 the formula which means it is 918 into 2 into 111 and I leave it like that why because options में it is exactly divisible by multiple options दी हुई थी so it is 2 into 9 into 2 into 111 is what 3 into 37 now go by options one of the option was 37 and one of the option was 74 now this number is exactly divisible by 74 also because what is 2 into 37 74 see the level they have risen पहले बोलता है 3 डिजिट पिक अप अ सिंगल डिजिट मल्टीपल ऑफ 3 फिर उससे जितने नंबर बने उनको ऐड करो when you add that number then that number is exactly whatever result you get is exactly divisible by option 1 option 2 option 3 option 4 and it was fair enough जिनको फॉर्मूला नहीं भी याद था ना दे से कि मैथ्स डालते हैं पेपर में ये मैथ्स नहीं है अगर 4 डिजिट वाला था तो भी मैथ्स है क्योंकि 24 नंबर लिख के करना बड़ा मुश्किल है but these were the 6 numbers come on 369 396 639 693 936 9 तो ये 6 ही नंबर थे इनको डायरेक्टली ऐड कर लेते you can easily directly add it but problem was then you had to factorize it to get this is the beauty of UPSC now which means they expect you to know this formula because they love 37 I'm telling you they have an eternal love for 37 I know this लास्ट ईयर 2 क्वेश्चन थे 37 के मल्टी क्या करें और हम लोग 10 बार तुम्हें क्लासेस में बताते व्हाट इज 111 37 into 3 and everywhere they use 111, बार बार यूज करता है 111. और जिसने लास्ट ईयर का पेपर दिया, लास्ट ईयर का पेपर दिया, उसको पता है, you know it. And most of the students actually turn up here when they appear for the paper and then they attend the classes. Before that, everyone is sitting chilled out. Khushbu, have you appeared for last year paper? I am really proud of you. This is one girl. आज तुझे हुआ क्या? No answers. All good? What would you do when winters would come? तेरे लिए तो डायलॉग ये बड़ा अच्छा है. Winters are coming. नहीं? Which serial had that dialogue? Game of Thrones. Winters are coming. Even I think अर्श को भी बोल सकते हैं अपन, Winters are coming. Hey यार, नारकंडा में तो weather is so good. It's all in like your perception in life, है ना? Arsh has gone all the way from Narkanda, Theog to study. Huh? Because problem is 0 is also a multiple of 3. So 0 नहीं उठाना था. That's the reason he said non-zero. They are very sharp. 1 is not a multiple of 3. क्या हो गया खुशबू? Are you okay? How many are these? हाँ? कहता है कि there are, pick all non-zero multiples of 3 and make 3-digit distinct numbers and add all those numbers. So whatever the result is exactly divisible by option number 1, option number 2, option number 3, option number 4. So this is what he was trying to do. Non-zero multiples of 3, राहुल क्या हो गए? 3, 6 and 9. 3, 6 और 9 से जितने भी 3-digit नंबर बने उनका सम कर दीजिए और वो जो रिजल्ट आया है उस पे ऑप्शंस चल रहे. Got it? 0 is a multiple of every number. 0 is a multiple of 3. Look. 0 is a multiple of 7 also. 0 is a multiple of every number. 0 does not divide any number. But 0 is considered to be a multiple of 1 also, 2 also, 3 also, 4 also, and every number. Rishabh. Okay? कौन सो रहा है? Arushi, you are going to be a teacher in your life when you grow up. हैं? ए क्या खा रहा है तुम? चखना खाता रहता है क्लास में? हाँ? आज ट्यूसडे. Anyway, it's all perception in life, na? See, he has come all the way from Theog and Narkanda, and all I want to do is that I want to retire in such places like Theog, Narkanda, Palampur. Theog is beautiful, but Palampur, if you have seen, na, Palampur is a pure combination of good weather and a lot of water. So the mountains become beautiful when there is water. Shimla side, water is not there. Kangra side, there is a lot of streams. And मैं गया हूँ, but like I have been. I have done a lot of camping. I've done a lot of solo travel. Shimla is not even a hill station. I don't treat Shimla to be hill station also. Yeah, Shimla is not a hill station. Sorry. Best place I have visited was Itanagar, and then I went to that monastery. Which place is that? Forgetting that. Huh? Tawang. Tawang is beautiful. It is untouched. It is so beautiful. It's so serene. You just cannot imagine. Again, at that time when I went, I was 2015, 16. So that advent of internet, YouTube, and people just going to places because they wanted to show people that Instagram, I am here, was not there. So Tawang and the monastery, oof, it's really beautiful. Otherwise, Shimla is overrated. Dharamshala is totally overrated. McLeodganj is very, very overrated. Dalhousie is very overrated. I must tell you that. Right? And you go to Dharamshala, McLeodganj looking for wow feeling, and then you see those places that are mentioned on internet, and you realize, right? So there is no wow feeling. Then, no, they won't allow you to stay at monastery. No, they won't. Never. There is a lot of hotels here. Don't worry. I went to Leh Ladakh. My first trip out to Leh Ladakh was 2001. And me and my friend, we went on bike. And at that time, internet was not there. So somebody told us, don't worry, you go wherever there is a problem, army people would be there. So we went. We started from Chandigarh, went to Manali. From Manali, we went ahead. And yes, we stayed with army people throughout our way. Free food, free drinks, right, and free advice. Right, that was awesome actually. So I have been, I don't know whether you were born at that time or not. So I've been to Leh Ladakh 2001. Right? And yes, there were no travelers. There was no maddening rush. It was pure and pristine. And then I went in 2019, I went a solo travel to Leh Ladakh. So I went from this J&K and I came back from Manali. But I must tell you, Jammu and Kashmir is beautiful. At that time, I traveled extensively through J&K and then went to Leh Ladakh. So I never liked Leh Ladakh at that time. Reason, J&K was so beautiful that Leh Ladakh doesn't stand after that. Because Leh Ladakh is all stones and desert actually. It's a cold desert. And I've been to Leh Ladakh before, but Kashmir, I've been to Kashmir 15, 16 times. But at that time, I really got a chance to explore Kashmir because I was alone. So solo tha main, I had a vehicle, right? So then I realized Kashmir is beautiful because, I had no fear. Otherwise family hota hai, koi hota, to log darte bhi bahut hain. Kashmir mein darte bhi bahut hain. And with me in Kashmir, it has been like whenever I have gone to Kashmir before, there was always something happening. Bum phut gaya, kabhi goli chal gaya, kabhi kuch ho gaya. So, people are really scared. This time in summers, I'm planning 7-lake trek. So there is a 7-lake trek in Kashmir. Anyone from Kashmir? So this time I'm going to go for trekking 7 lakes. I'm going to visit. Otherwise, I've traveled a lot. I've done my, Rajasthan solo किया हुआ मैंने. अयोध्या जाना है यार इस बार. हाँ, अयोध्या और वाराणसी दोनों जगह जाना है. इस बार मेरे को जाना है. अयोध्या भी जाना है और वाराणसी भी जाना है. And my parents don't allow me to go to Kumbh. For past जितने भी साल से कुंभ हो रहा है, I've been like begging to my parents, I want to go to Kumbh. They won't allow me because it is written in my Kundali that if I go to Kumbh, I won't come back. So I hope now we are comfortable with fundamental principle of multiplication and addition. Most of the questions have been done with that sort, right? And we haven't even touched permutations and combinations. That is the beauty of fundamental principle of multiplication. And fundamental principle of multiplication exactly is what? It is permutations, arrangements. Now let's talk about permutations and combinations. Anyone who loves Bollywood movies over here? Raghu. 3 favorite heroines. Anushka. Agli. Kiara. सब शादीशुदा है बेटा. You like married women? Third, Yummy. I don't. So, listen to me. Raghu likes Anushka, Kiara, Yummy. So I ask Raghu, number of, if you want Raghu, you want to rank them. How many number of rankings you can give? So Raghu starts. Raghu says, sir, Anushka, Kiara, Yami, or Anushka, Yami, Kiara, or Kiara, Anushka, Yami, or Kiara, Yami, Anushka, or Yami, Anushka, Kiara, or Yami, Kiara, Anushka. This is the ranking. So 6 ways of ranking 3 women. What is arrangement? Juggling. What is arrangement? Juggling. So what do we get? 6 ways of arranging 3 out of 3 women of Raghu's interest. Why Yami? Because she is not married. He thought, let me have one which is not married. उसका भी हो गया क्या? You like married women? Or you like all the women those who are married? So this is called arrangement. Arrangement, juggling, right? But if I say, Raghu, you have 3 girlfriends, Anushka, Kiara, and Yami, and you have to pick all 3. When we talk about picking up, when we pick objects, right, we select. Selection का क्या मतलब होता है? Picking up. Now please pay attention. When we pick people, suppose I have to pick you 3, Manjot, Arshi, and Abhinav, right? So I won't bother how they are sitting. I would say, stand up, get lost. Meaning, I don't care now about your arrangement. So when I'm talking about selection, जब हम लोग selection का बात करते हैं, picking up का बात करते हैं, order does not matter. So in that case, Raghu would say it is Anushka, Kiara, Yami. Only one way of selecting 3 out of 3. Because in that case, order does not matter. Because now either it is Anushka, Kiara, Yami, or Anushka, Yami, Kiara, or Kiara, Anushka, Yami, or Kiara, Yami, Anushka, or Yami, Anushka, Kiara. Doesn't matter. So when we are picking up of objects, their order does not matter. So what is permutation? Zig, 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 zig. What is combination? Picking. Picking does not bother about order at all. Agree? See a great example. है ना? ये फर्क है permutations और combinations में. When we pick up objects, you go to the market, you want to purchase oranges. So you are not bothered about the order of the oranges. You pick up, you pull your hand, pick up. So picking up does not require order. Got it? One more example. For example, it was Anushka, Kiara, Yami. And then again I say, Raghu, arrange 2 out of 3. I say, Raghu, arrange 2 out of 3. So Raghu says, sir, either it is Anushka or Kiara or Kiara or Anushka or Kiara or Yami or Kiara, right? Or Yami or Anushka or Yami. Again, 6 ways, right, to arrange 2 out of 3. Clear? But if I ask Raghu, select 2 out of 3. Then Raghu says, sir, either it is Anushka or Kiara or Yami or Anushka. Because now Anushka and Kiara or Anushka does not matter because he is just picking 2 individuals without bothering about their order. Right? So again, how many ways are these? Selection ways are 3 ways of selecting 2 out of 3. Now I hope this is clear, isn't it? This is something never thought about. I don't know why no teacher gave this explanation. It's so easy. It's so fantastic. Now you are clear, because for you, Anushka and Kiara is now equivalent to Kiara and Anushka for selection. Isn't it? Selection के case में it doesn't bother, because order does not matter. I was very clear. Manjot बैठा है, Arshi बैठी है, Abhinav बैठा है. If I have to pick all three and throw them out of the class, I won't bother ये कैसे बैठे हैं. मतलब खड़े हो जाओ, दफा हो जाओ, खत्म. Getting my point? So when I am picking things, I don't bother about the order. That is what you need to realize. Selection is easy. When I'll do selection, I'm very clear. Question would come. आज तक यूपीएससी में मैं तुम्हें बता देता हूँ, सिलेक्शन के सारे क्वेश्चन जो आए हैं वो जो मैं तुम्हें लिखवाऊंगा उसी से आ जाएंगे. प्रॉब्लम इज नॉट सिलेक्शन, प्रॉब्लम इज अरेंजमेंट, जो अभी हमने पहले किया था. ठीक है. सो कैन वी थिंक नाउ? सो व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज गाइस, परम्यूटेशन and combination. So let's talk about permutation first. Different thing is, permutation means arrangement, combination means selection. Second, order is considered. Order of the object is considered. In combinations, order of objects is not considered. Simple. Order of objects is not considered. Guys, permutations are like women. Too many things going around. Combination is like man. Boom. Let me sleep. Okay, remember that part. Permutation is every kind of arrangement, right? And selection is no arrangement, disorderly, because we need to pick up. Picking up does not require order. Got my point? Got my point? This is it. This is the difference. Okay, and then keywords. Keywords. Arrangement. Right? First is arrangement. Right? Second keyword over here would be questions dealing with numbers. Dealing with numbers and alphabets. Questions dealing with numbers and alphabets. Right? So keyword arrangement, it would be linear arrangement, circular arrangement. यहाँ पे भी ranking, yeah. Ranking is again a keyword for arrangement. Over here keywords are selection, picking up of objects, committee formation, team formation, etc., etc. These are all keywords for combinations. This is a basic difference. Remember Raghu and his girlfriends, his favorite actresses. All good? Manjot कहता मेरी नहीं पूछिया. Manjot, what are your 3 favorite actresses? सारी ही चंगी है पाजी. जेड़ी मिल जाए चंगी. A true पंजाबी. कुड़ियां अपन सारियां पसंद है. कुड़ी होनी चाहिए. Manjot, it's so good यार. सर कोटक पूरे वाली पसंद है. चलो, anyhow. So this difference now would create a great logic in our mind, because now I'm going to discuss Now the worst part in our classroom structure was कि पहले परम्यूटेशन डिस्कस करता था फिर कॉम्बिनेशन डिस्कस करता था, विच इज रॉन्ग. एक्चुअली पहले कॉम्बिनेशन डिस्कस करते हैं, राइट, फिर अरेंजमेंट डिस्कस करते हैं. गाइस, हाउ डज अरेंजमेंट हैपन? इफ आई हैव टू अरेंज पीपल, लिसन टू मी, इफ दीज आर 3 people sitting, I have to arrange them. So पहले तो I'll pick them, then I'll arrange them. So actually पहले step होता है selection, then it is arrangement. But in our books it goes totally different. That's the reason most of us have not understood permutations and combinations, because they have done permutations पहले and combinations बाद में. So there is no connect. I'll connect it now. So combinations. Combinations. Now point number 1, I'll give you 8 to 9 points. All the questions on combinations would fall into 8 to 9 points. All right. If we have n distinct objects and we have to select R objects, then number of ways are, so I say we have n distinct objects and we have to select R objects, then number of ways are n C R, which is equal to n factorial upon R factorial n minus R factorial. Kindly write it. This NCR is called binomial coefficient. Don't be scared of it. Don't worry. It's very easy. The point is not this. The point is जो हमने लिखा है उस पे ध्यान देना. As if we have n distinct objects, we have to select R objects. The number of ways are. Now please pay attention. Important. Distinct objects. NCR works on distinct objects. Arnav. NCR works on distinct objects and it works for the keyword selection. That's important. So if objects are identical, NCR would not work. NCR नहीं लिखेंगे आप, right? And NCR is very easy to solve. It is a basic representation and you have done factorials. For example, if I say what is 6C4, it is equal to 6 factorial upon 4 factorial 6 minus 4 factorial, which comes out to be 6 factorial upon 4 factorial into 2 factorial. But see this, 6 factorial can be written as 6 into 5 into 4 factorial upon 4 factorial into 2 factorial. Cancel. And this 2 factorial is 2, cancels 3. Answer is 15. It's not a very tough job to solve factorials. So NCR would give you an integral value, positive integral value. कोई भी फ्रैक्शन नहीं आती है NCR में. Keep this thing in mind. NCR में फ्रैक्शन आंसर नहीं आएगा. तुम्हारी कैलकुलेशन गलत होगी अगर फ्रैक्शन आंसर आएगा तो. संजोत सीधा बैठ. पुअर लैड. बुड्ढो की तरह बैठ रहे हो, पीठे खत्म हो जाएंगी तुम्हारी. ऑफिस में ऐसे नहीं बैठना है. आईपीएस ऑफिसर बनेगा लड़का हमारा, सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर नहीं बनेगा तुम्हारी तरह. सुबह 8 बजे गए, रात को 8 बजे तक सॉफ्टवेयर बना रहे हैं. बुक This sitting is very tough. He is right. That's the reason I keep on telling you, यार पोस्चर अच्छा होना चाहिए, because it would be very tough. तुम तो यार तुम तो गोवा में बैठे हो भाई. ठीक है. So is this clear? Now NCR के कुछ फंडे हैं वो ध्यान रखना है. Have you written it? Nice. Right. So listen to me. NC0 is 1. NC1 is n. NC2 is n into n minus 1 by 2 and NCn is again 1. ये चार ध्यान रखना, बस यही चार काम आते. So clear है. अब जरा ध्यान से सुनना. How can we use it? Right? So Philly, NCR is okay. Right? So Philly, suppose you went to a college for post graduation. So you had 7 subjects and you had to choose 5. So number of ways would be, total 7 subjects were there and you had to choose any 5. Number of ways कितना होगा Philly? Listen, there are total 7 subjects. Now what a question I'm asking is, see, there are 7 subjects and you have to choose 5 subjects. Number of ways, really? How many number of ways would be there? So no, choose. Again, choose is keyword of selection. So, Philly, it would be, देखो, 7C5. Choose 5 out of 7. This is the meaning. NCR was choose R out of N. So remember this. Choose 5 out of 7. Write it. Choose 5 out of 7. Right? Which is equal to 7 factorial upon 5 factorial. 7 minus 5 factorial, which is 7 factorial, 5 factorial, 2 factorial, which is 7 into 6 by 2, 21 ways. If you don't know combination, you cannot do it. As much you try, you cannot do it. Now who is going to answer next question? Khushbu? Yes, Khushbu is going to answer. She has a great, brilliant girl. So Khushbu, there were total 7 subjects. You had to choose 5 subjects such that 2 subjects are compulsory. Number of ways कितना होगा? No. 5C3. This is a talented boy. 5C3. नहीं, माइनस नहीं करेंगे. सुनो, 7 थे, 5 चूज करने थे. 2 subjects are compulsory, which means out of 7, 2 are compulsory, which means you're left with 5. And since 2 are compulsory, you can only select 3. Because 2 though you have to appear. So 5C3, which is equal to 5 factorial upon 3 factorial 2 factorial, which is 5 into 4 into 3 factorial upon 3 factorial 2 factorial. Cancel, which is equal to 10 ways. Is it clear? फिर से क्वेश्चन लिखिए. देखो, मतलब तुम्हें मजा आएगा. ये सब आ चुका है पेपरों में. मतलब मैंने बेसिक डेफिनेशन पे तुम्हें इतने क्वेश्चन कराऊंगा, तुम बोलोगे सर ये क्या हो रहा है. ये बेसिक है एनसीआर, इस पे उठा रहे हैं हम लोग क्वेश्चन. सुनो अगेन, देयर आर 7 सब्जेक्ट्स. यू हैव टू चूज 5 subjects, but you don't like 2 subjects. So there are 7 subjects, you have to choose 5 subjects, you don't like 2 subjects out of it, right? Number of ways, 5C5, 1. What is 5C5? 1. Now what happens is, out of 7, you don't like 2, which means you don't have a choice. Out of 5, you have to choose 5. So it is actually 7 minus 2c5, which is 5c5, which is equal to 1. Clear? Cricket देखता है कोई? Cricket? How many of you like cricket? You also? Well, who is your favorite cricketer, Arnav? He's so good. He don't want me to, just put one more question out of it. I don't like the game, right? Smart boy. Sorry, Sunil. So there are 16 players in total, and we have to choose 9 players such that 5 of them are always there in the team and 4 of them are never selected. Number of ways कितना होगा? $16 players are total. We have to choose 9 players such that ST is such that. Come on, yaar, you have been attending my classes. You don't know what is ST? प्रियंका at least you should say an answer. Wrong or right तो बाद में मैटर करता है ना यार. आकाश, that is why I keep on asking. आंसर बोल बेटा, डोंट वरी. क्या होगा? ज्यादा से ज्यादा गलती होगा ना. देखो यार, कुछ नहीं है. पहली चीज, क्रिकेट देखते हो तुम लोग सारे. 16 member team है. You all know that few of them were not played. So out of 16 you have to choose 9. Right? Then he says 4 of them are never selected, which means out of 12 you have to choose 9. 4 of them are never selected. So 4 of them are never in contention. So 16 minus 4 is 12. Out of 12 you have to choose 9. ये तो clear है? And then he says 5 of them are always there. So in my era, Virendra Sehwag was always there, Sachin Tendulkar was always there, Rahul Dravid was always there, and Saurabh Ganguly was always there, VVS Lakshan was always there in a test match. So 5 of them are always there, which means obviously you are left with 12 minus 5 people to be out of which you have to select. Total people left are 7, and out of which you have to select is 4. So answer is 7C4. So step 1, out of 16 you have to select 9, but since 4 of them are not there, so out of 12 you have to select 9 and 5 are always there, which means out of 7 you have to select 4 only. 7C4. What are you saying, खुशबू? इसको नीचे कर. हाँ. So 4 of them are never selected, तो शुरू से उनको लेना ही नहीं है. You don't have to, you don't have to take them into selection process only. Shh, I don't like the subject, so you did not even consider the subject. They are not even in the selection process. Alright. And since 5 of them are selected, so how many of them are left? 16 में से 9 people you have to select. 4 of them are never to be selected, so out of 12 you have to select 9, but then 5 are always there in the team, so how many are left? Out of 7 you have to select 4. That's it. Abhi clear hai? Philly, is it clear? Pakka. You need to, guys, if there is still a trouble, because with you I've been there for past 2 months, I see a lot of good confident people now. When we started, it was really tough, and I started with the toughest topic. I know a lot of people ran away also. I don't care. This is bullshit. You run away from topics. How would you survive in your life, right? So now you are confident. Even if you are feeling something that हमें करना है, तो please, ये still there. You need to tell me कि boss मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा. There are people whenever I enter the class say sir मुझे ये नहीं आता है. तो good enough ना, पता तो चल जाता है. I'm not going to ask you again and again. Come on, be confident. You want to be an officer, so come and tell me, sir, these are the problems, how to sort it out. Very simple. And there are students sitting online, those who are doing it so well. Every day people are asking for Zoom. तुम तो offline आ रहे हो यार. Come on, sort it out. I need work. Philly, come on, start working on it, beta. Akash, I think you're good. I think you're good. But Priyanka, I find that you have to answer questions. Okay? Right? Chalo, good. देखिए. So, there are 4 men and 4 women. 4 men and 4 women. A committee of 4 people is to be formed such that there are at least 2 women. Find total number of ways. $61? I don't know, let's see. 15? There would be 3 cases. At least 2 women. Yeah. Now, this is a great case. Wait here, just a minute. It is a great case. It's a great question for cases. Right? Now, there are 4 men, 4 women. So, there is a committee of 4 to be formed having at least 2 women. So, number of committees would either be 2 women and 2 men, or second would be 3 women and 1 man, and third would be all 4 women. Yeah. 3 cases is right. Arnab is right. Answer is wrong. अभी देखते हैं. Right. Now listen to me. 2 women. इधर देखो. अब है सबसे important time. Number of ways of selecting 2 women out of 4. 4C2. And is into 2 men 4C2. Multiplication क्यों आया? Because there is and. 2 women and 2 men. उसके बाद दूसरा केस और प्लस. और is for plus. है ना? 3 women 4C3 and 1 man into 4C1. Or third case 4C4. This is the beauty of and or. ये नॉलेज है, ये नहीं तुम्हें आती थी कि यार सर सिलेक्शन में ये क्या चल रहा है, ये चल रहा है सिलेक्शन. ठीक है. व्हाट इज 4c2? 4 फैक्टोरियल अपॉन 2 फैक्टोरियल 2 फैक्टोरियल 24 अपॉन 2 इज 12. 6 into 6 plus 4c3 is 4, 4c1 is 4 and 4c1 is 1, right? It is 36 plus 16 plus 1, 53. You don't like women? Huh? That is the reason you took other way. सीधा सीधा प्लेन बन तो रहा था यार. So guys, we continue tomorrow. If you are intelligent, don't miss tomorrow. Please be अक्लमंद. Yes, it's my class only. हाँ, कल मेरी ही है, क्योंकि ये कॉन्टिन्यूटी में नहीं चलेगा तो बनेगा नहीं. Thank you so much guys. Jai Hind to all of you.